Creating viral product ads with AI is now easier than ever, allowing anyone to produce high-quality marketing videos without professional editing skills. Start by opening your browser and searching for Gemini, then open the website and switch the version to Pro for better quality results. Go to the Tools section and select Create Image, upload your product using the plus icon, and write a detailed prompt describing the style, lighting, and advertising concept you want. Within moments, the AI generates a professional product visual ready for advertising use. Next, open your browser again and search for Steve AI to turn that image into a dynamic video ad. Open the website, select the option to try AI video generation, and go to the Image to Clip section. Enable premium settings and set the video duration to around 10 seconds for a short, engaging ad format. Upload the generated product image, paste a prompt describing the type of promotional video you want, and click the Generate button. After a few seconds, the AI automatically creates a polished product advertisement ready to download and use for social media, e-commerce promotions, or marketing campaigns. This AI workflow makes it possible to create viral-style product ads quickly, combining image generation and video automation into one simple process.